Hallo, hi. Kijk, hierdie manne het 'n hele collection van draadtrek hierso. Ons gaan
maar nou nie my hobby. My hobby nou wys op die video.
Ons gaan draadtrek. So episode hoeveelste episode is dit? 3? 1.2. So lekker box and alls. Patches is going to do my boot setup. He's busy. I'm supposed to help him, but I'm vlogging here. So he's just busy doing the sound. Basically, a lot of us is coming together just to do the sound on the car. But yeah, so he's like a 8000 watt amp, and I don't know what this is, but I think it's 1650 watt RMS. Here's the maroon Hondas with the white wheels. So yeah, so we're gonna get cracking here. I'll record as much as I can during the process. I haven't had a system in my car for 17 years. I only had my normal speakers in, but like I told you guys in the previous vlogs, I haven't done a car in 17 years. So yeah, stay tuned. Tomorrow other stuff is also happening. Very excited to see that, but that you guys have to wait for in 2 weeks time. Alright, so we're gonna start getting cracking here. Like I said, I'll record as much as I can in between, and then just a bit Gatmaak and stuff. Fabian is also on his way.
Hallo, hi. Kijk wat sy kak vang die toppies aan. Die van sy hande is môre. Die van sy hande is môre stikkend en seer. Want hy het nog nooit in sy lewe 'n spinner vasgehou, nee. Fabio is ons supervisor hierso.
Aan die kant toe. Ek hou maar net die kak wat poen aan.
En hier is die laborer.
Ja, dat is maar die laborer.
Die van gebruik nou al sy immobilizers hierso. Hy is onder die indruk dit is immobilizers vir die kar. Hy dink dit is om my kar te immobilize.
Handles om die double-it is eigenlijk die handles om die seat oor. Double-it is eigenlijk
Julle almal se. Oh, I haven't seen the car like this ever since I've owned it. Wat is flickering so hier? Wat is hy wat flikker?
Oh, is die TV?
Oh, is die lag. So all the old wires, there was old wires in the car. Patrick just took out the battery. So now they're gonna start connecting the system.
Hello, hi.
Hello.
So, I think what David's busy doing now, he's cleaning off dirt since this car came out of the factory. What models is this?
95.
Huh?
95.
Hier lê 1995 se gemors nog hier in die boot in.
Net na apartheid.
Net na apartheid, want ek kan sien die lê nog 'n ons het hier ek het so 'n stukkie van die ou Suid-Afrikaanse vlag gesien ook hier. Well, anyways guys, as you can see, Davis was prepping the boot. That is for the sound deadening, because you know this boot was very dirty, it was dusty, it was greasy. So we're gonna do some sound deadening up in here. We're gonna do some sound deadening here because this car is gonna rattle with the setup in here. Running 8000 watt amp. That's 1650 RMS.
In 'n moesepak Crocs.
Ja, en ja, extra power.
Check gou hierso, hier is 'n Crocs se veters, check hier.
My Crocs.
Hier is 'n Crocs se veters.
Yes.
Here, julle is nice.
Dove is busy running setup here. Dus iemand is gonna start taking part in sound offs now.
Jy moet jou kar skep.
Zero gauge wiring. Ek moet my kar ook wegtrek hierso.
Hy lieg want dis sy Crocs se veters.
Zero gauge wiring is running here. I don't know where is Dove going with this setup. You wanna take part in competitions? Ek weet nie. So here we have it. As you can see, I am in need of a respray. So I'm letting him reverse. Go, yes, more, yes. I need a respray, so ek gaan claim hier by Soulworks. Hulle maar hier in reverse in my karre. But yeah, where was I, guys? Div is running a spec box. This box is big. It's massive. He's running 0 gauge wiring.
This the earth cable.
He's running 1650 RMS amp. Waar Div toe gaat met die, ek weet nie. Wow, zeg, hij moet uitblur. But anyways, yeah, we got Patrick here. Was the CRX King. CRX, I'm going by CRX, CRV King. He's busy doing the wiring over here. Div had like old wiring line in the car. We're removing that because this man is running crazy power gauges, earth cape. I mean, look at this. Eskom drade meneer. Look at this stuff.
Whoa! Jy het die op camera nie.
Hy's op camera. Look at this. Check at this. I'm gonna show you this wiring. You need to, hello. You need to learn how to vlog. You need to educate the people.
Check hier is dit dik so by vingers.
Ja,
en ek het 'n paar dik ballonies.
So Shaun has got the 0 gauge fingers. So yeah, that's his power cable. That's his earth. Look at the stuff. I'm trying to see where I threw his old wiring away just to give you guys an idea of what the old wires look like, but something like that.
Land met dit.
In pink.
Oh
yeah, is this yours? Is this yours? Is this your power cable?
Was the old power cable.
Is this old power cable? Gelas ook nog. But anyways, there we go. Look at the comparison, guys. So yeah. Don't look at my toner. I said look at that. But yeah, so he's going some serious power in this thing with the sound. This first number that klop, this is gonna fly.
Ja, ek het al klaar my playlist hier met
I'm showing them how all this rush is gonna start skiting off when the bass hit. That is gonna skit off.
Ek het al klaar my number.
And here's a sound deadening. It's a sound deadening we're gonna be putting in. Because we have to run it. This car is gonna. I mean, listen to this.
We need to. That stuff we need to.
Yeah, we have to sort out something here because the one thing is you don't want this thing to. I mean, listen to that. Imagine what bass in the boot, how this thing's gonna rattle. So we're gonna try and put some sound deadening in here. We're gonna try putting in here, and then obviously in the side, the section over here. Patrick will show us now where exactly to place it. So to get just limit the rattles in the car. But yeah. Basically, we stripped that here at the back to start laying down the wiring. Puna bass, brother, huh? They say, yeah, you're gonna start going you now. What bass mechanic stickers on your car now? Into what's it? SPL challenges. Every sound of just say, hey, so Puna bass.
This is guys.
My bass goes lower than your car.
Yeah. You know some of the stickers I get my bass. My bass goes lower than your car, yeah?
Guys, this has been 17 years in the making.
And they gaat me all out. And they gaat me all out. But yeah, we'll keep you guys updated.
The sub is almost as big as my foot.
Nah, that is like a taxi box, bro. It's massive.
Why?
Just to give you guys an update.
Is it?
This is what sound deadening looks like. That's before.
Let's just sound deadening what looks like when Shaun does it. And this is what it looks like when Divan does it.
Ja, Divan did that, ja.
Kijk die kak wat hy gemaakt
Ja,
is.
Divan did that, ja.
I don't know what the fuck he's trying, ja. Nee, maar dit is die waarheid. Dan is die waarheid.
Ek is 'n baie inexperienced.
Patrick, jy sê is soos 'n bom wat jy met besig is in die kar.
Ja, nee. Dis 'n ander storie die drade hier.
Ja.
Die drade wat krag moet op het die krag op.
Jesus.
Nee man, ek het maar sy gesê die manne kom op. Of julle kom op.
Lekker man. So a lot of people are probably wondering what's the benefits of this. Well, you know the Honda's got a very
Block sound.
tinny sound, so we haven't put in here yet. And with the base, metal's gonna be flexing. This body pan's gonna be flexing, and you get a lot of rattles. Get a lot of tin sound on the outside also. and this basically eliminates it. Gives it a nice solid, I mean, if you listen to that, that's a bootlet that sounds like a solid door, by just having this in here. So we just started, so we still have to get some in here, and we still want to get some here on the side panels to basically eliminate this sound here. So basically the whole boot we want to do. You know, I know a lot of people think, yeah, back in the day, the krr, 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 you come on, it sounds quiet, but it sounds cocky. You stand in traffic and everything is rattling here. Sometimes it rattles so loud you can even hear it inside the car. So you want some nice solid bass, and it actually improves the sound quality as well, because now you don't have any panels that's flexing, and you get a nice solid bass on the inside of the car. So yeah, it's just some 101 for the guys who don't know what this is or what. I just see a whole lot of booty here. Pause. Huh? Nixie? Huh? Biggest man in South Africa with the lowest MR2. Wow.
Old news.
Old news.
Old news. So, how's it looking at gents? Huh?
Die man vang net kak en ek moet dit self doen.
Yes, sis. Julle boot vol foil.
Die man sê, ek dink hy skommel as jy so skommel.
Now we get in there, gents. We get in there.
Wat het die fucking Fabi?
Kijk alweer zo.
Hy praat hiervan. We are getting there and we are this and we are that. Jy is dan vogel doen, is dit sy beeld dit is uit en nog weg vogel.
So you tell me, how does the glass end up in their hands? Huh? How do they stay hydrated? Because of me. They stay hydrated because of me.
Al wat hy doen is hy skink net. Hy
Ja.
bring dit nie vir ons nie.
I'm een keer barman.
Sit daar.
Als je naar een klap toe gaat, je gaat skinken voor jezelf. Ja.
Ek wil net gou weer wys hier so. Die man weet ook om iets in sy hand vas te hou. Alles dit is torch. Alles is net 'n torch.
Nee.
Patrick, kom hier reg. Maar net nie vir die man. Maar net nie vir die man vra vir hulp nie. Check die glow stick. Hy lyk soos 'n cherry van agteraf.
Pink bouwer.
Hy lyk soos 'n girl. Hi girl. Met 'n middelrif. Hi girl.
Wat het jy aan met kan kabels nie?
Ons is hier in die donker te besig.
Jy even sien dit ook.
Almost done nee. Patrick was just lay the RCA cable, he's almost done with the M. Very excited to hear.
How much that 7? Lekker boxie in. Guys, just remember this box might look so small. Have a look here. This box is built to spec. Built to spec. Die ding is gebouwd to spec. It's not the off-the-shelf box that you get at sound match. I'm sure you can, yeah, look at whatever you see on this screen, Dove, is that how light it's gonna be?
Yes.
Because it looks very light on here.
It looks kak.
Open the boot go. Ons het vir Puna base hier so. Jy, kyk jy het nou LED in sit daar so.
Maar ek het 'n LED in.
Waar dit is 'n geel lig.
Dis die LED is 'n ou gloop man.
Dis ook loop. Okay,
Ek
so
het een van die straatligte gevat en die ingesit.
so we finally finished.
Hierso.
We finally finished.
Hoor hierso, so we finally finished. Die man het verkoop gedoen, hy's dan nog hele gek.
Look at it's a team effort, guys. You couldn't have done it if I didn't pull for you. So here we go. Setup done. This is far from finished. There's still much more to do with the boot setup and clean up nicely here. But I must say, nah, this man must have worked for Soundmatch or something.
Hy sit te kak, hy's alright.
He's better than Soundmatch. He's better than Soundmatch.
Ek sien moeilikie. Ek is net dors.
Yay!
Stuk over die maak.
My bro, go heat on my boot. Just heat it up on my boot, you can hear it sound. Pluk manier. Nou, it came out nice. just find out. Look here, it's dark, guys, and Shaun complained of say beer mensen, so we can't tune the amp.
I wanna put this on camera.
What
Fabi called the rematch for the
no.
the date will be dropped soon.
No, that's not happening. That is not happening. It took me a couple of months to heal.
Yeah, look, I came prepared.
I'm not prepared.
For the rematch.
I'm not prepared. That is what came out of Div's car. It looks like wiring for a house. What is this?
Dit lyk soos licorice.
That's what came out of Div's car, but yeah, everything is set up nicely. Look, it's late, so we can't do any settings now because we're gonna wake up the neighbors. But I mean, like at volume 2 or 3, the stuff is pumping. So tomorrow we'll sit down nicely and tune the amp, tune the tape settings, everything. You spot Div pulling up at the next hookup for the bass mooring out of the EG. Huh? Just playing Eminem the whole time. Hi, my name is Ka. My name is. Hey, spelling man at Eminem. His cap is already back to front. But yeah, stay tuned for more, guys. This is all part of the build series for Puna's wagon. We're slowly doing some things on this car to get it up to spec. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Cheers, guys.